1,250,000, asking 1.5. 1,750,000. 1,750,000. 1,750,000. $2 million. $2 million now. 1,750,000, asking $2 million. $2 million at $1,750,000, asking $2 million. Any advance at $2 million. Roger, your bidder is out. The bid is on the left-hand side at $1,750,000. 1.8. 1.9. 1.9 now. At $1,800,000, $1,900,000. 1.9. $2 million and a brand new bidder. 1.9, asking $2 million. $2 million. We're at $1,900,000, asking $2 million. $1,900,000, $2 million. At $1,900,000, asking $2 million. Sir, give $1,950,000. I will do that for you. $1,950,000 and $1,900,000. $1,950,000. It's here in the second row at $1,900,000. $1,950,000. $1,950,000. $2 million now. At $1,950,000, asking $2 million. We're at $1,950,000 and now $2 million where? $2 million.
Well, engine rebuilt in 2017 by Mercedes-Benz Classic Center of Stuttgart, so couldn't be done better. Retains matching numbers, chassis, body, engine, gearbox, rear axle, steering box, and front axles. What a magnificent colour combination as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bid is in the room at $1,950,000. $2 million. $1,950,000. $2 million. We're going to count it down at $1,950,000. Do I hear $2 million? At $1,950,000, Gord, $2 million. $1,950,000, $250,000, $1,950,000 here in the second row, $2 million now. $2 million. $1,950,000, $2 million. $2 million, $2,050,000 now. $2,050,000. $2,050,000. $2,050,000. It's selling today at $2 million. Asking $2,050,000. $2,050,000. $2,050,000. $2,050,000. $2,001,000, Roger. $2,001,000 at $2,050,000. $2,001,000. $2,100,000. We're $2,050,000, asking $2,100,000. It's selling today, ladies and gentlemen, at $2,100,000 going once. $2,100,000 going twice. $2,100,000. Third and final time. $2,100,000. Sold $2,050,000.